AI and customer training, is it a partner or is it a replacement? Just like many other industries, AI is impacting customer training. So the question becomes, how exactly is it doing that? Recently, SkillJar published a report that indicates that the biggest impact that AI has in customer education and training is actually in content creation, which makes sense. There's tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity for content creation. There's tools like Cluso, Synthesia for videos. And so what most of the educators in this space have found is that the biggest impact is actually speeding up the process in which they are creating educational content and also keeping it up to date. Now, what they also found that the least impact that AI has had is actually in personalization, which to me also makes sense because personalization and creating tailored education strategies in an industry, whether it's education, healthcare, tech, is really about understanding the learner. And this comes from experience, this comes from case studies, this comes from lessons learned, all of which need the human touch. So in personalization, you still need a human to think about all of those aspects, subject matter experts, and use all of that expertise to then build out personalized learning pathways. Also, in that is very important to have hands-on learning. Now that can't be simulated. I mean, you can learn a little bit in simulation, but when it comes to tactile feel and also practicing what you are learning, that can be only done using hands-on learning, and that cannot be replaced with AI. So AI is certainly a partner, but it is not a replacement.